Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How are you guys doing? I want to say hello there, my tulips. I want to give a warm welcome to all of you guys out there. I'm so glad that we have made it to the year 2024. And I wanted to come to you guys today as natural as possible so that you guys can really get a good look at where I am currently with my hair. So what you guys currently see now is that I got some makeshift cornrows in my hair, and I want to start with my left, you guys, is right, so this side here. So as you can see, I do have hairs that are trying to grow back here. I did have some hair breakage, and as you guys can see, she's trying to come back, and I'm so pleased that she's growing back. A lot of their hair breakage or bald spots that I have here is due to locks that I did take down from my hair. Unfortunately, through combing out my locks and what I was just going through eternally at that time, I did comb out my hair from the root, or almost from the root. I did just comb it out without being more delicate. Although I have taken down locks before, that last time your girl was just going through something and I just did not remove them or take them down with the tender loving care, the time and the patience that is needed when you're talking about trying to comb out locks. However, I do recommend, if you have locks and you feel like you don't want them no more, to me, I think the safest way to do it is just shave your hair all off. But that's my personal thought. Just based on my personal experience. So I just want to make sure you guys are clear on that. But so yeah, so throughout my hair, it's just different spots where, you know, I did not do what I should have done. So trying to grow out my hair there. So I'm trying to give my hair a break just from the braids to allow that recovery and to just allow that one-on-one love time that my hair needs from me. So yeah, so that's this side here. Okay, so everything seems to be fine. Here, this is my right side, your left. Just a little bit of breakage here. But you can clearly see the difference where my hair is a little bit more forward here versus this braid is a little bit more back there. It's definitely a slight difference there. So really working towards trying to just get her back on track here in the front. I've always had an issue on the side here. You guys probably can't see. That stems from something from high school, so I'm not going to get into that. But yeah, so that's the front and the side, and where I am there. The back, let me show you guys that. So this is the back. Now let me just say this. So the reason my cornrows is stopping a little higher, because remember you guys, I cut all my hair off about a year or so after taking my locks down. So my hair is growing out from a taper cut. I did have some tremendous hair breakage from the locks back here in this area as well. So tender loving care is needed back here as well. But you can see that there has been progress. There has been some growth going on back here in the nape as well. Okay, what I am doing overall to try to combat the sadness of my hair, simple protective style like this, and I think that I am going to take my hair down from the from these little braids here, these cornrows, because I feel like it still may be just a bit too much stress right now for my hair, even for this. So I may just do big plaits with my natural hair all over, just so she can just be without being manipulated, which is a little stressful for her right now. Until I take these down, what I am doing is making sure that I give her a little H2O daily. So that's what I'm doing now. That's what I'm doing now. Okay. She loves water. So giving her a little water. Okay, and just making sure I'm getting it in all the crevices. You guys, I am still using the Mielle Strengthening Hair Oil that you see here. And this is a new bottle. This is actually my second bottle of this product, and it's already down here, you guys. It's already about gone. But this is what I use, and I typically do this maybe every other day or every 2 days. It just really depends on how she's feeling. To ensure that I really get that back, because it's kind of tucked, I kind of just go in. And a little bit for me of this product goes a long way. Now what you guys really can't see is underneath those cornrows in the back, that's where some of the sadness is. It's just hidden. After I apply the oil, I just kind of go through my scalp, the oil and the water. I just kind of go through and just make sure I kind of just give her a good massage. Let me put a little bit around the perimeter there. Give her a little water because she loves it. Just to kind of get it to properly disperse. And so around the perimeter, I usually just give her a good massage like so. And it looks like I'm doing it hard, you guys, but I'm actually doing it gentle. So please don't be fooled. And I typically will massage my hair just throughout the day. As long as I'm home and I don't have my unit on. When I take a shower, I just kind of let the steam hit her too, just so she can get a little moisture. Well, you guys, I definitely don't want to lose my edges. I don't know anybody that want to lose their edges with the shape of my head. Because I do have like slight little forehead here, because my hair kind of sits here. And I have very thin eyebrows naturally. And I have a long chin. So I'm going to give her 31 days, the full month of January, with just no braids, just only wearing the unit and keeping my hair in a low manipulated style for underneath the unit, just so she can relax. So yeah, so that is where I am. This is how I'm starting out the year with my hair. On top of what I am just doing physically, I am drinking more water now, because you want to be healthy and good on the inside so that it will be reflective on the outside. And so yeah, so I'm eating better and drinking plenty of water and trying to get her back tight and right. So yeah, you guys, that is where I am. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Let me know what your suggestions are down below to really just get her kick started into the right direction. What's important to me and is my main focus for this year is healthy scalp, healthy hair growth, healthy scalp, stronger, healthier hair, length and fullness and length. That is my main focus. So right now I'm focusing just on the health of my scalp, and just getting her bed right, and then everything else will follow. So yeah, you guys, so let me know what your thoughts are, what your suggestions are, if you have any. And y'all, I'll see you in the next one, smooches.